The winter of 2022-23 will go into the meteorological record books for one of the heaviest, if not the heaviest, precipitation ever experienced in California. California has been buffeted for more than 2 months by a seemingly non-stop series of storms rolling in from the Pacific, soaking virtually every corner of the state. Their most unusual aspect has been the huge snowfall in Southern California mountains, where hundreds of people remain trapped in resort communities. Overall, California's snowpack is approaching 200% its average for this point of the season. The record will likely be broken because meteorologists are forecasting storms for weeks to come. Sacramento, the state capital that lies at the juncture of two major rivers, the Sacramento and the American, is especially threatened if a killer flood scenario becomes reality.